Aloha there, Darcy Frankel here, and welcome to your day 14. Now, last week you cleansed the subtle channels of your body with Nadi Shodhana. You did 3 detox baths. You found out all about the different toxins in your body. You did lymphatic cleansing, and you even had given yourself 2 Abhyanga self-massage treatments. Now, yesterday you learned all about where toxins are stored in the body. And today there are 2 shorter lessons. You learn all about the benefits of intermittent fasting and the lesson called How Do I Know If I Have Toxins? Now, today, I also really want you to do the Abhyanga self-massage with the lymphatic cleansing moves that you learned last week. Then you get a detox bath afterwards. Oh my gosh, this sounds like really amazing self-care. I'm actually a little jealous. I want to do an Abhyanga with the lymphatic moves. It sounds really good. I guess I need one of those. All right. I just wanted to say you're really doing great self-care. Now, it's the last day of the week, so go ahead and remember to do your check-in today. You'll regroup with meals, go shopping if you need to, and pick some winning recipes for the week. If you're doing a second round of the Serious Cleanse protocol, do you need to grab a refill of the Serious Cleanse body mask? You'll want to remember to do that. Enjoy it all, and we'll see you tomorrow. Aloha.